Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Shahin Alam, Assistant Teacher, Bagdor Yeasiniya Dakhil Madrasha, Hakimpur, Dinajpur. Welcome to online class from our Madrasha. Dear student, today I shall teach you the past perfect continuous tense. At first, you have to know meaning and definition of past perfect continuous tense. Past means finish or complete, and continuous means running action. Perfect continuous means fully running action for long time is called past perfect continuous tense. Dear student, what is past perfect continuous tense? The definition of past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense is a tense which expresses a past action which had been going on or running or continuing for a long time is called past perfect continuous tense. I again say, past perfect continuous tense is a tense which expresses the past action that had been going on or running or continuing in the past for a long time is called past perfect continuous tense. Dear student, scope of noun. There is only a auxiliary verb in this tense, and ing is used with the principal verb. Dear student, I again say the definition of past perfect continuous tense. Past perfect continuous tense is a tense which expresses the past action that had been going on or running or continuing for a long time in the past. It is called past perfect continuous tense. The time indicates it may be definite time or indefinite time, or period of time or point of time. Scope of noun. There is only a auxiliary verbs. It is a had been, and ing is used with the principal verb. Dear student, I said the auxiliary verb. There is only a auxiliary verb. It is had been. There is structure. Note 1. If the time in this tense, if the time is definite or point of time, then we have to use since or from as preposition. Example: he had been doing the work for 2 hours. I again say, if the time is definite or point of time, we have to use since or from as preposition. Other hand, we have to use for. I have mentioned here 2 hours. 2 hours, though it is long time, it does not point of time, because I don't say which to time, 8 to 10 or 10 to 12. I don't it. Rather, it is period of time, indefinite time. So I have used here for as an preposition. Number 2, he had been doing the work since 8 a.m. It is definite time. AM and PM. There are different meaning AM and PM. AM means ante-meridiem, PM means post-meridiem. AM means ante-meridiem, before noon. PM means post-meridiem. That means afternoon. Though since I write 8 a.m., it is point of time, definite time. So I have used here since as since, or it may be from. It may be from as a preposition. Okay, student. Dear student, look at the blackboard. Structure. Structure. Affirmative, subject plus AV plus PV plus ING plus object plus extension. Example, he plus had been plus do plus ING plus the work. We match the sentence for 2 hours. We match the sentence. He had been doing the work for 2 hours. Okay, student. Negative. Subject plus had plus not plus been plus principal verb plus ing plus object plus extension. E plus had plus not plus been plus do plus ing plus the work for 2 hours. Dear student, keep in mind, when this tense will change into interrogative or negative, only main auxiliary verb had will transfer or remove. It may be before or after subject. Been is about on his own place. Okay, student. I again say, if we want, if this tense will change into interrogative or negative, only main auxiliary verb had will be transferred or remove the subject, and about is been is about on his own place. We match the sentence. Look, he had not been doing the work for 2 hours. Okay, student. Let's look at the blackboard. Interrogative. Head plus subject plus been plus PV plus ing plus object plus extension plus sign of interrogation. Example: had plus he plus been plus do plus ing plus the work for 2 plus sign of interrogation. Dear student, I said before, if this tense change into interrogative or negative, only main auxiliary verb had will be removed or transferred before the subject, and been is about on his own place. We match the sentence. Only had removed before the subject, had he been is about on his own place doing the work for 2 hours. Okay, student. Interrogative and negative at a time. Interrogative, negative at a time. A had plus subject plus not plus been plus PV plus ing plus object plus extension plus sign of interrogation. Example: had plus he plus not. Not may be used before subject or after subject. If we use not before the subject, it will be changed anti not. If we before the subject, if we use it before the subject, it is only anti not, and if we use after the subject, it will be not not. A had, a he, not plus been plus do plus ing plus the work for 2 hours. We match the sentence. Had he not been doing the work for 2 hours. Okay, student. Today I teach you the past perfect continuous tense details. How fail or comprehends this class? Comment me. Today till this time. Meet again in the next class. Okay. Goodbye.